Today, I'm going to show you how to change the size of your tabs in Google Chrome. If you ever feel like those little tabs at the top of your browser are getting too crowded, too small to read, or you just wish you could make them fit your workflow, you're in the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to adjust Chrome tab sizes for a smoother, more comfortable browsing experience. Alright, let's jump right in. First up, go ahead and open your Google Chrome browser. If you haven't already, just double-click that familiar colorful icon on your desktop, or search for it in your list of applications. Chrome needs to be running for this, and you don't need any special extensions or downloads. We're going to be doing everything from within Chrome itself. Once you've got Chrome open, click up into the address bar at the very top of the screen. Here, you're going to type something a little different from your usual website. Type Chrome/flags and press Enter. If you've never visited this page before, this is Chrome's experimental features panel, where you can tweak settings that aren't found in the regular menus. I like to think of it as a secret workshop where you can customize your browser even more. Now, this flags page can look a bit overwhelming with all its options. But don't worry, we're just here for one specific feature. You'll see a search box near the top of the page. Click into that and type tab scrolling. Just those two words. As you type, you should see Chrome filter the list down and bring up an option called tab scrolling. This is the feature that lets you change how your tabs behave when you have lots of them open, and also lets you adjust their sizes. Right next to tab scrolling, there's a button labeled Default. It's telling you how Chrome is handling tabs right now, which, for most people, is just the standard sizing. Go ahead and give that button a click. A drop-down menu will appear, and here's where the magic happens. You'll see several choices: tab width, medium width, large width, disable, enable, and don't shrink. It might look a bit confusing at first, so let's walk through what each option means. If you choose tab width, Chrome will try to pick a balanced tab size depending on how many tabs you have open. Medium width and large width will force your tabs to stay a bit bigger, making their titles easier to read. This is great if you often have a manageable number of tabs and you don't want them to get squished. Disable and enable are more about turning tab scrolling on or off, which you probably don't need to worry about unless you have dozens of tabs at once. Don't shrink is pretty handy. It keeps your tabs from getting too small, no matter how many you open. This can be a lifesaver if you find yourself clicking blindly because your tab titles keep disappearing. Take your time here and pick the option that sounds best for the way you use Chrome. You can always come back and try a different setting if you change your mind later. Once you've made your selection, Chrome will ask you to relaunch the browser to apply the changes. Don't worry, it'll save your open tabs. So just hit the relaunch button that appears, give Chrome a second to restart, and you're done. That's it. You've now customized your Chrome tabs to better suit your browsing style. If you found this guide helpful, go ahead and hit that like button. And let me know in the comments if you have any questions or need more tips for tweaking your browser. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and happy browsing!